Hi, I'm Robin Higgins, and this is What Effect Does Solute Molecular Weight Have on Diffusion Rate? So let's take a look at what diffusion is. Let's say that you have a chamber here, and it's a vacuum, so it's completely empty. But you have a little port, and you put in some helium gas. Then over here, you'll enter all of your helium atoms. And right now they're all kind of congregating over here on the left-hand side, but they're all moving, and they're going to naturally find an equilibrium where they're all spread out. So if they're all over here on the left, then they're going to go this direction to the right. And then if you check back in later, they're all going to be spread out. And so remember, at this time, they're still moving, but overall, the net equilibrium is that they're pretty much spread throughout the container evenly. So now the question is, does molecular weight, how much something weighs, have an effect on how fast this process happens? And the answer is yes. So let's take a look at two different atoms and their gases and see how much they weigh and how fast they go. On this side, we have hydrogen gas. And so its molecular weight is about 2 grams per mole, pretty light. And over here we have oxygen gas, and its molecular weight is 32 grams per mole. So oxygen weighs a lot more than hydrogen. Now, if you take a look at their relative speeds, we have hydrogen, it's going to look like this, where you have lots of different types of speeds, and some of them are going pretty fast. So this is speed. And this is number of gas molecules. So this is H2. And oxygen is going to look more like this. So still a bell curve, but much more condensed and overall a lot slower. And this slower rate is really going to affect how fast something can diffuse. So when you look at both of these gases, the lighter one is going to diffuse much faster. The heavier one, because of its molecular weight, is going to go slower. I'm Robin Higgins, and this has been What Effect Does Solute Molecular Weight Have on Diffusion Rate?